Hi guys, Tech James here. So I managed to pick up this Nintendo GameCube at a car boot sale for only £1. So I was kind of hesitant to buy it, then I thought, well, it's only £1, so I might as well just get it. And the reason why I was wondering whether I should buy it or not is because it's literally just a console by itself. It's missing all of the cables and controller, but for £1 I guess it's still a pretty good deal. So as you can see, the console is really dirty. It's covered in so much dust. It actually has a game in it, which is kind of cool. It has Spider-Man for the Nintendo GameCube. So yeah, that's a free game. Can't complain really. So yeah, in this video I'm just going to be cleaning it and then plugging it into my TV because I have got some other GameCube cables and controller, and then I'll be seeing if this thing actually works. So guys, this is all of the stuff I've got to clean it. I've just got some soapy water and some towels and stuff. So let's get to cleaning it. Right guys, so that is looking pretty clean now. Now unfortunately I can't take it apart because I don't have the right screwdriver to do so, but it's looking 100 times better than it did before. At least all the dust and stuff is gone. There's a few scratches on it, but nothing too major. So now what I'm going to do is probably plug it into my TV and just see if this thing actually works. Right guys, so everything is plugged in. All I have to do is just put in a game and see if the console powers on. Yep guys, it seems to be working. I'm just going to have a look at my TV now and just see if there's a display on there. Okay, so let's just power it on and just see if there's a display. I haven't put the disc in yet, by the way. I took it out again. There's the GameCube boot screen that everyone loves. Okay guys, so it looks like everything's working. Options, calendar, whoa, it's the date set to 2022, what the hell, memory card, okay, yep, notice I've got my memory card in here, that's pretty cool. Let's just put in a game quickly and see if that works. Spider-Man is in, so we can see if that game works as well. Console seems to be reading it. There you go guys, Spider-Man. Let's launch into it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Working GameCube for £1. So if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.